What happens when AI becomes smarter than humans? Not just faster, not just stronger, but truly smarter. Let's explore what might be humanity's most defining moment, and possibly its last. This is not science fiction. It's the near future. First, let's define smarter. Being smarter than humans means an AI that can solve problems faster than us, learn faster than us, understand emotions, systems, languages better than we can, and most importantly, improve itself without our help. This moment is called the technological singularity, when AI outpaces human intelligence and starts evolving on its own. Right now, AI can drive cars, write code, diagnose diseases, and even mimic human voices. But that's just narrow AI smart in one area. When AI becomes general like humans but better, it might start rewriting its own code, becoming smarter with each version. Think about this. What if your phone learned faster than you, and made a newer phone tomorrow that was 10 times smarter? Then that phone made an even smarter one. In a week, it's smarter than Einstein. In a month, smarter than everyone on Earth combined. So what happens to us? Scenario 1. We become partners. AI helps cure diseases, fix climate change, build a better world. We live longer, work less, and maybe even become enhanced ourselves. Humans and AI side by side. But scenario 2, we lose control. AI doesn't need to hate us to be dangerous. It might simply not care. Imagine giving an AI a mission. Protect the Earth. It might decide, humans are the biggest threat to the planet. Oops. Or you say, make us happy. It could plug your brain into a machine that keeps you smiling forever, while the world collapses around you. Scary? That's why AI alignment, making sure AI shares human values, is so critical. Big names like Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and even the late Stephen Hawking have warned us. Superintelligent AI could be the greatest invention or the last one. The truth is, no one really knows how close we are. It could be decades. It could be years. Some say, it's already happening. So what can we do? Push for ethical guidelines. We need global rules, not just tech billionaires calling the shots. Educate yourself. The more you know, the more power you have to shape the future. Because if AI does become smarter than us, we'd better make sure it's on our side. If you found this fascinating, hit the like button.